Okay, so bear with me, the light's low, and it's on a pillow because the whole room's a mess, and I don't have any other backgrounds, but look, oops, bear with me. Look how small this WR is. Ow! It's my first one. Well, it decided to come out of the box, so what about we redo that? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, I managed to get everything back in there. We're gonna be a lot more gentle this time. But I got my first radio today. I got the manual. This is the instruction booklet. I believe it's a brochure style. I can't read these, but I'm gonna do some flipping just for the satisfaction. And look how tiny this WR is. This radio is tiny. Of course, we have to do this. Okay. Also, can we just take a minute to appreciate how pretty? Here at our roll, we like our army style. Army, army, army. This thing, I'm not kidding, is smaller than all of my Braille card decks. It is perfectly travel sized. And it came with accessories too. Here comes a strap, in case you want to use it as a weather radio. Which, duh. I'm a siren kitty. Of course I'm going to. And we have a bag. Actually, for coming with a $30 radio, this is a nice bag to carry everything in. It doesn't have a real handle though. It's any handles. It's a drawstring bag, but it's a nice little accessory pouch to keep everything in so you don't lose it in your bug out bag or go bag or whatever. And cable, which is blue for some reason. Oh, no, that's an antenna. That's the NOAA antenna. Cool. Like that. So you can clip, alligator clip. To get one of those. And then battery. Where did my charger run off to? Oh, here it is. Battery charger. Guess I didn't box everything. USB-C. Nice. Battery. Ready for some satisfaction. Oh, that was a good one. Look at that. Get out of here. Now it's time to play Let's Struggle with the Battery Door. I'll be right back. Alright, roll fans, doors open. Let's open that battery. But first, in true me fashion, let's find it. Oh, there's it. Oh, darn it. Things are falling all the time. Bear with me. Put this down. Alright, let's see if we can get some life out of this now. That battery is charging. I doubt we'll get anything while it's charging, but let's see. Well, I didn't catch the first power on, but let's see if we can't get it to go again. Let's see if I can't get it to show itself.
SD card mode.
Okay, yep, okay. And then...
Radio.
Good. Okay. And...
0 people. Rough.
Oh, shoot. Before we do anything else, let's... Should we just... Yeah. Let's pull this out. Yeah, let's push extend. Extendo.
For what?
I'm Elsa Chang. We hear from several school
0 people.
teachers on all things considered from NP.
Yeah, that's still too Holy cow. That's a speaker. If I ever would say so myself. And then, let's see, can we... Yeah.
0 people.
Okay, so it's working. Let's see what these do.
Whoa, judicial system.
Oh,
In 1910, Oklahoma passed the Constitution.
so these two north.
Fathers had been.
Okay.
With small business insurance for protecting a
0 people.
that the government is opposed.
Cool.
Shaft and right front drive shafts. News. After ICE is claiming.
0 people.
Sunday, mostly sunny.
Yep, it's
Highs in the
working.
mid-50s. The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. Tonight,
Cool.
northeast winds 5 to 15 knots. A chance of rain showers late this evening.
Yeah, you definitely need
showers
that
after
minute
midnight.
weather antenna. Let's see how
Waves
this
30 or
function
less.
works with
0 people.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 knots.
not great.
In the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Waves 1.
5, 6, 7.
County Regional Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 45 degrees dew point 38 and relative humidity was 76%. The
Cool.
wind was northeast at 9 miles an hour.
Glad
The
that's
pressure was
working.
29.94
Nice.
inches
0 people.
falling. At Cleveland,